morning, you guys. So I want to say it's almost 8 o'clock. It's 7:57. I'm currently making breakfast. So right now I'm in the middle of just making some bacon. It's turkey bacon. And I'm going to be making toad in the hole, which is like an English kind of breakfast. And I need to adjust the toaster. There we go. And I am using the Dave's Killer Bread. So today is kind of like up in the air so far because I'm waiting on a text from my coworker at the chiropractor's office, Lisa. It is currently the 27th, and Colorado actually is letting certain businesses reopen as of yesterday. So I don't know. So I don't necessarily know if I'm able to go back to the chiropractor's office right now. I know that they're open, but we'll just have to wait and see. I will give you updates on that a little bit later. But yeah, I'm just making breakfast. I have to get a lot of work done. I still have to do some schoolwork, and I am potentially going to the chiropractor's office at 11 o'clock. I get out at 3, and then I go directly to the hospital for my shift that lasts until 8 o'clock. So you're just gonna see what I do until then. And for the bacon, I'm actually using the Columbus Hickory Smoked Turkey Bacon from Costco, which is just amazing because it's so thick. It doesn't even really taste like turkey bacon. Okay, so I have just taken out the bacon. It is sitting on the side over here, and it's really crispy and nice. So I'm just gonna put this on low, and we are going to be doing our toad in the hole. So I have already toasted this piece of toast lightly, and I'm going to be cutting out a square shape in the middle. So this is what it looks like, and yes, I'm going to clean the countertop, of course, afterwards. But this is what it looks like, and we're going to be putting this part in the pan, and also this one, just to get a little bit crispy. So we're going to turn up the heat just a little bit to a medium-low. Put that in, put that in. It's going to be nice and toasty, and I actually removed some of the oil because it was a little bit too oily from the bacon. But you want to do this after you cook the bacon because the bacon flavor will actually still be in there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to crack an egg in here, and we're just going to flip it over and do the same with this. Just flip it over, and that will just be nestled right on top. So yeah. Okay, so I just cracked the egg in there, and I want to like push these sides up against the toast just so it's compact and everything. And I'm going to be seasoning it right now with everything but the bagel mix. And a little bit of crushed red pepper, along with a little bit of garlic salt and parsley. Oh geez, that came out way too fast. It's fine. It'll be good. So I'm going to attempt to flip this. Let's see how this looks. Oh, yep. You see how it's all crispy? It looks really good. But I'm going to attempt to flip this, and I will catch up with you guys afterwards. There we go. So we just flipped it, and it like absorbed all the oil, which is like the cooking process. So this is what it looks like. And I really want the yolk to still be runny because I love that. So I'm just going to start getting my plate ready. Okay, so I just like turned down the blinds because it was like blasting me in the face over here. And the lighting was a little bit weird and wonky. So I'm going to be using some of these grape tomatoes, and I'm going to be putting a little bit of this hummus. It's roasted pine nut samba hummus. Right here on the side just to dip these in because I need to use these desperately. And there's like a little bell pepper in there. But yeah, let's see how this is going. Yeah, promising. And that is what I am having for breakfast today. Okay, so I'm getting about ready to eat. Here's the hummus, the grape tomatoes, my toad in the hole, the turkey bacon, and I also have some Life water right here. Okay, so right now I'm watching Be Our Chef on Disney Plus, and here's the moment of truth to see if the yolk is runny. Yep, it is. I'm so excited for this. I'll catch up with you guys as soon as I'm done eating. Okay, you guys, so I have actually finished breakfast and now I have to wash the dishes. It is currently 8:34 and I have plenty of time to do that, do my hair, put on makeup, and go to work. So let's just get started. Okay, so my roommate Brittany is playing music, but I just wanted to come in here and show you guys what I've been up to since I last ate my food. So I'm currently charging my tablet. That's the one that I use for work, and honestly, I've been like working for the last hour for, you know, like coaching and everything, so I need to charge that. So I figure while I do that, I might as well do this. I got a disc plate. And I just finished setting it up. I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. So on the door in my room, it's right here. It's Machine Gun Kelly. I really like Machine Gun Kelly, but I think it looks really nice. It's on the back of my door, and then I'm going to be also hanging this up today. I don't know if I'm gonna use hooks or command strips, but that is gonna go right up there on this wall. And then I finally have this put together. I need to fold these, and there's dirty clothes I need to wash tomorrow. But wait, no, I need to wash today. Jeez. Anyway, and then there's also my Evil Dead poster because it's my favorite horror movie of all time, and I want it to go on this wall. And I'm thinking about getting like hexagon shaped mirrors to put in a pattern right here. And I still want to paint that wall right there. And I've already showed you guys the colors that I want. So yeah, it's still a work in progress, but I think it looks pretty good so far. But yeah, I really, really like my disc plate poster. It's made of metal, surprisingly. So yeah. Okay, so I really need to do my hair. I might as well update you all on what's happening. I got a text from Lisa, my coworker at the chiropractor's office, and turns out I'm not going to be going into work today. They actually want to wait for me to come in until the 5th, so we'll just see how that all goes, but that just gives me some more time to get the podcast done, to get some editing done, and to dive into homework, so that works out perfectly for me either way, you know. So I'm just going to do my hair, probably gonna edit the podcast, upload it, and then I'm gonna have to head over to Big Lots for some hooks, some command strips, and everything, because I really need to get everything hung up in my room today. It's just sitting there where it's meant to be hung. So I already have the MGK poster, metal poster hung up, so I might as well get everything else done today as well. So yeah, let's just do a time lapse of me doing my hair. Scratch that, there's not going to be a time lapse because I cannot figure out where to put you in this restroom. Like, right there on the candle, too low. Right here, too low. There's like way up here, but you will not like stay at the right angle that I want you to. So I need to figure something out in this restroom in order for me to vlog in here without like constantly holding the camera. So yeah, that'll be a work in progress as well.
Eventually.
Okay guys, so I'm done with my hair. I'm gonna put on my face just a little bit, not too like much, but just enough for me to like feel okay going out. But I just cleaned my, well, kind of cleaned my room, I just made my bed. So this is how it looks. I need to put away like all of that stuff over there, but I'm loving the way this looks. And I'm going to be hanging this up and hanging that up, so it'll be finally off the floor. Hey guys, so I really need to close the door so no copyright, but anyway, so I just hung this up with the command strips. It looks so good. Brittany helped me like level it out and everything. It looks real good. I'm going to be putting this up right now, right here on this wall. So yeah, wish me luck. Okay, so this is the final result. I put a little baby Groot up there. My neighbor made it for me out of a 3D printer. It looks so good. But yeah, this is what the shelf looks like. It's even. I swear it's even. Like on camera it does not look even, but it looks so good. I'm so excited. Like, oh my gosh. So this is what that looks like, and then there's this, and then I'm also going to be hanging this up probably later tonight, just right here. And I want to get little hexagon mirrors just like right here, almost as a little vanity, you know? So I'll catch up with you guys after I come back from work.
Later.
Okay guys, so I actually just got home. Brittany has been